Good day mga ka-friends. This day is Sunday. Mag-aaral na naman tayo ng salita ng Diyos, the God's Words. Mag-aaral naman tayo mga ka-friends. Minsan nakakaligtaan natin kung sino yung may lalang sa atin. Kaya kailangan pag-aralan natin ang mga salita niya. Bumubuo sa ating pagkatao mga ka-friends. Okay, our subject na naman is Who is Jesus? Part 4 na tayo mga ka-friends. Yun ang subject natin ngayong Sunday. Okay, punta tayo sa Matthew chapter 1 verse 18-20. Okay, mga ka-friends, sabi dito sa Matthew chapter 1 verse 18 to 20, this is how Jesus the Messiah was born. His mother Mary was engaged to be married to Joseph. But before the marriage took place, while she was still virgin, she became pregnant through the power of the Holy Spirit. Joseph, her fiancé, was a good man and did not want to disgrace her publicity, so he decided to break the engagement quickly. As he considered this, an angel of the Lord appeared to him in a dream. Joseph, son of David, the angel said, do not be afraid to take Mary as your wife, for the child within her was conceived by the Holy Spirit. Alright mga ka-friends, sabi dito si Jesus pala ay conceived by the Holy Spirit. So nung nagbubuntis na ang nanay niya, si Virgin Mary, ay pinagbalakan ni Joseph na iwalayan siya, ngunit sabi ng angel, the angel said that kailangan pagpatuloy niya yung mag-asawa sila, dahil nga yung binubuntis naman niya ay conceived by the Holy Spirit. Yan po si Jesus Christ mga ka-friends. So next is John 8 verse 12. Punta tayo sa John 8 verse 12 mga ka-friends. John chapter 8 verse 12. Ang laman dito sabi, Jesus spoke to the people once more and said, I am the light of the world. If you follow me, you won't have to walk in darkness, because you will have the light that leads to life. Alright mga ka-friends, kung sabi ni Jesus Christ na I am the light of the world, siya pala ang liwanag ng mundo natin mga ka-friends. If you follow Him, kung susunod ka sa Kanya, hindi ka na maglalakad sa kadiliman, because there's the light leads. Mayroon ng liwanag na gumagabay sa inyong buhay mga ka-friends. Okay? Next is, punta tayo sa Matthew 8 verse 23-27. Matthew chapter 8 verse 23 to 27. Sabi dito mga ka-friends, Then Jesus got into the boat and started across the lake within his disciples, suddenly a fierce storm struck the lake, with waves breaking into the boat. But Jesus was sleeping. The disciple went and woke him up, shouting, "Lord, save us, we're going to drown." Jesus responded, "Why are you afraid? You have so little faith." Then he got up and rebuked the wind and waves, and suddenly there was a great calm. Then the disciples were amazed. "Who is this man?" they asked. "Even the winds and waves obey him." Alright mga ka-friends, yun, inaano siya ng mga disciples kasi ng across the lake na sila, malulunod na daw sila, storm winds will come. So pinuntahan siya ng disciples, tapos ginising siya. Ang sabi, woke up, then suddenly sinabihan siya na, "You have a little faith." Maliit lang yung pagtitiwala mo. Nandito na ako, kumbaga sa atin, nandito na ako. Ako yung Panginoon nyo na gumagabay sa inyo. So, pinagsabihan niya yung storm wind at saka yung sea na be calm. So, yung disciple nagtaka, bakit ganun na nag-calm lahat? Okay, naging maayos. Even the winds, storm winds at yung mga alon ay sumusunod sa kanya. So nagtaka sila, who is this man? Yan ang katotohanan na yun talaga ang kasama na si Jesus Christ is the Son of God. Yun, that's all this Sunday mga ka-friends. Yun ang subject natin, ang part 4 ng Who is Jesus. So ipakilala ko sa inyo si Jesus. Ganon ang mga ginagawa niya noon para sa mga taong sumusunod sa kanya. So kailangan kilalanin natin talaga siya. Ito talaga yung trabaho natin as a servant of God na i-hatid sa inyo yung mga salita ng Panginoon. This is your friends, SG Car, saying good day and to everyone and listening and viewing to my fellowship. That's all mga ka-friends, and good day to everyone of us.